Welcome to the Top Talent and Immigration Show with your host, Kaushik Ranchod. In this show, we discuss how companies and top talent in America overcome immigration obstacles and help create freedom and prosperity in America.
Kaushik Ranchod here. I'm the founder of Top Talent and Immigration, where I talk with leading researchers, business leaders, and attorneys on how they overcome big challenges in the immigration process and business. This episode is brought to you by Ranchod Law Group. And in this episode, I'm going to share with you the latest updates about the H1B filing this year, and it's 2020 as I speak. Back to our sponsorship message. Ranchod Law Group's mission is to provide freedom and prosperity for immigrants and help more businesses to connect to top talent. Ranchod Law Group believes that immigrants add tremendous value to the U.S. economy and helps companies facing a shortage of talent to make up that gap and grow thanks to the immigrant talent that contribute to their bottom line. They also help immigrants to navigate the complicated immigration process today. Ranchod Law Group has been in business for nearly 20 years in Northern California and serves clients nationwide as a trusted advisor for employers and helping employers to attract talented immigrant employees. Contact Ranchod Law Group today for details on how the firm can help you to solve your immigration challenges. Visit us at ranchodlaw.com or 916-613-3553. This year, there's going to be a change in the H1B process. And with the Trump administration, there's changes that are happening so fast. And many wise people have said the only constant in life is change. And that definitely is playing out in our immigration laws today. So previously, when we filed H1Bs, we would file them for that fiscal year, and we've tried to get all of ours in by April 1st, and then all the applications that were received would be chosen in the lottery, and the ones that were chosen were kept and adjudicated. The ones that weren't were sent back. Now there's a new rule in place, and what this new rule entails is registering between March 1st and March 20th for the 2021 H1B numerical allocations. So during this time, what's going to happen, and this also includes the advanced degree exemption, employers are going to have to pay $10 and register electronically with USCIS and pay a registration fee for each submission. The employer or their representatives, so that would be an attorney, for instance, must electronically submit a separate registration that has to be specific to each employer, naming each employee they seek to file an H1B for. And what's really important to note here is you cannot have duplicate registrations. Now, typically, like before, what's going to happen is if there's more people who registered than the number of spots available, then boom, there's going to be a lottery. Now, this is exactly the same before as in terms of having a lottery, but the difference here is the people that are chosen are then going to be allowed to submit an application. Now, this still leaves a lot of questions. How much time is USCIS going to give us to submit the application after someone's chosen for the lottery? We don't know yet. They said they're going to come up with rules. It's January 24th as I speak, and they still haven't updated this information. So we're waiting for USCIS to give us more guidance, and then we will know how to proceed and when to actually file the application after we register. But the most important thing that I want you to get out of this podcast today is that there is a registration process. So if you want to register your company, you have questions about it, call us at 916-613-3553. And I hope this is going to help employers, but it's really going to depend upon how much time USCIS gives. Because if they only give a week to submit the application after the registration time, then I don't really see it being that beneficial to employers, because as attorneys, we would still need to have your application ready beforehand, and you definitely need more than a week to prepare the applications for H1B filing season. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you next week, and we will continue to keep you informed. If you have questions, call us at 916-613-3553 so we can answer your questions or help you solve your immigration challenges. Thank you and have an amazing day.
Thanks for listening. Be sure to click to subscribe, check us out on the web, and we will see you next time.